In this lecture, we'll take a look at how we can post form data to a controller action. So here, if I inspect this page, you'll notice that this is going to home/course and the method is post. So what we need to do is, in our controller action, let's stop this for now, and in our home controller, as you can see, we have an action called course already present. What we need to do is create another action with the same name. So let's do that first. The other thing that we need to do is make use of HTTP verb. So here, this course is basically a post method. So we are saying HTTP post over here. Now you'll notice that two methods cannot be of same name. So obviously they have to differ by signature. Here what we will be doing is we'll be posting the course model itself. So from the form we'll be actually receiving a course model. So here we'll say this action is expecting a model called course. Now here, instead of creating a new instance and returning new, all we need to do is assign few other stuff to this model that we have. So you can see we are already sending title from there. So published on is one thing that we can assign. So I'll say datetime.now, and then we can have a breakpoint over here, and if we want to return that, you can also return that as a view. So here let's go and say model. Obviously we won't be receiving these values. What we'll be doing over here now is when we'll run this breakpoint will hit, and whatever data we have submitted in our form will be present in this parameter model. Now another approach of assigning form data to a model is creating a view model, and then from that view model passing the required parameters to the actual data model. So it's kind of a layer between the actual model and the form that you are submitting. But here, for this example, we'll stick to the basics, and here we'll be making use of the data model directly. So here we have course, and the course for now is having two attributes, published on and title. Title is something that we are sending from the form, and published on is something that we are taking care at the action level itself. Now let's go ahead and run this and see it in action. Here we are entering the name of the course, ASP.NET Core MVC, and let's click on the create button now, which is a submit button, and there you can see it's hitting the breakpoint now. And let's explore the model that we have here, and you can see the title is coming as ASP.NET Core MVC. That is what we entered in the form, and published on, as you can see, is not set, and the default date is being currently assigned to it. If I just now go set another breakpoint over here, or let's say here, continue, then you'll notice the published on is now set to May 30th, 2019. And finally, it's just returning that view. So let's continue. And there you have it. We are now able to successfully pass data from form to a controller action.